Hello friend, welcome to my HTML tutorial. Before we start the introduction of HTML, I would like to say that why to learn HTML. First, by using HTML we can create a website. Second, to become a web designer. Third, understanding web means if you want to optimize your website, then HTML is good. Fourth, once you understand the basic of HTML, then other language is easier to understand, like JavaScript, PHP. What is HTML? 1. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Second, it is a standard markup language, but it is not a programming language. Then there are some questions in your mind. What is hypertext? Why it is not a programming language? And what is the difference between markup language and programming language? First, what is hypertext? Hypertext is a text which contains links to the other text. Second, what is the difference between them? A markup language is a computer language that uses tags within a document and it is both human and machine readable. But in programming language, it provides a set of command and syntax to write a program which are understood by the machine. So, markup language is not a programming language. HTML is used for creating web pages and web applications. HTML describes the structure of web page using markup language. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. These are the version of HTML. The latest version of HTML is HTML5 in 2012. What we need to run a HTML language? One is web browser, another is text editor. You can choose any out of four. For me, I am going with Google Chrome web browser and Notepad text editor. Creating an HTML file does not need any server. File must end with the .html extension. Always run in a web browser like Chrome, Firefox. Here is all about HTML tags. 1. HTML uses various tags to create the structure of web page. Second, every tag is written inside angular bracket. Third, almost every tag also has a corresponding closing tag. Here is the structure of HTML. This tag is an instruction to web browser about what version of HTML the page written in, and it also helps the browser to read your web page correctly so that browser know what type of document you expect. This tag indicate web page is written in HTML and this tag indicate end of web page. Head tag contains information about the web but not displayed in the web page. Title tag contains the web page title and also display in title bar of the web page. Body tag contains the content of the web page, means text, image, and all that things. Okay, that's enough for this introduction video. I will see you guys in next video.